teddy bear, turn around.
You're reading
Back up, Har.
like you've been reading all your life.
There you go. Now do it.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, turn the ground. Hey Johnny, hey Johnny, hey Johnny.
I'm watching.
Johnny.
I'm watching. Go back over with Joe. I'm watching.
I like Kennedy. Kyle, look at the baby.
What is it, Har?
There's a baby goat over here.
My leg.
He untied, one was tied on John's shoelace. Like him.
Who's that?
Tumbleina.
Tumbleina, what does she do?
She sucks.
Go show Grandma.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses, all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Very good. Can we see Humpty? Wow, you did that? And you read that, huh? Very good. Thank you.
He does background vocals. Thank you. He is a singer, songwriter from Ada, Oklahoma. Please make welcome David Gann.